and exciting. So let's make Greek spring rolls today. So first we need 2 cups of flour, that is maida. Then we will add 2 teaspoons of oil. You can use refined oil, I am using olive oil. Then I have added the salt already. Then after mixing like some time, then we will gradually add water to make the dough. So we'll keep kneading the dough and we have an almost ready dough. So our dough is ready. Now I'll just put it on the workbench and start kneading it so it turns a little soft. Now I've kneaded my dough. Now we will grease it with 1 teaspoon of oil all around the sides. Then we will cover this with a damp cloth and let it rest for 15 minutes. So our dough is resting. Now it's time for us to make the filling. The filling includes 3 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, cottage cheese as we also call paneer, and blanched spinach. So we will add 2 tablespoons of filling. Then we will add the garlic first. So we will add the garlic. Now our garlic has almost turned brown, so we will add the onions. We will let the onions shrink and they will also turn brown. So our onion and garlic has turned brown. It's time for us to add the cottage cheese, paneer. Now we will add our salt for taste. I am adding about 1/4 teaspoon. Then some chili if you like spice. I am adding again 1/4 teaspoon. Then we will stir this again. Now we will add our blanched spinach. We will mix this really well until all the flavors are absorbed. We will also add some seasonings like I am adding chili flakes, not too much as I have already added the chili powder. And also we will add some oregano. Yes. Sprinkle some, then again mix it for some time. Our filling is ready. Now what we need to do is let it rest and cool for about 30 minutes. Otherwise making our dough and filling it will tear apart. We will now divide it into equal parts. I have made small balls out of the dough that I cut. Now we will roll it very thin like sheets used in spring rolls. I have rolled out my sheets and I layered them with oil. So first the sheet went, then the oil and sheet, and similarly all of the rolled out sheets are layered. Now we will cook it on our tawa. So it should look like this, like a naan or some type of roti or flatbread. So it will cook from the other side also, and then we will start taking out the sheets. So I have removed the sheets from the flame and they should be little raw from inside, so we can fold it easily to form the spring roll. We will let our sheets now to cool for about 10-15 minutes. After cooking, now we will fill it with the filling that we made. So just take a spoon or like 2 spoons about, just spread it. Then we will roll it. So this was the paste that I made with flour and water. So we will spread this to the end of the sheet and then we will roll it so it does not fall apart. Yes. So I have rolled my spring roll and I will apply the paste on the side to seal the roll. So now I will cut it so that it cooks nicely and evenly. Similarly, I have made it all of the rolls. I've covered it with the same paste that I used. Now this will go in the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can normally fry it. So I will add some oil to my air fryer so that our spring rolls don't stick. Now we will add our spring rolls. So I have put my spring rolls inside and now we will put it in an air fryer, let it cook and turn crispy. So if you have an air fryer, you have to keep it on 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. So I'm so excited. My Greek spring rolls are ready. They look delicious, crispy. I just love them. So this was the end of our video. Do try this delicious recipe and we'll meet again soon. Thank you.